Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Valvoline and Sparesbox. Don't forget Benny5 on checkout. This week, a look back on 2023, the year that was. We did all sorts of stuff, traveled overseas, broke some stuff, kind of built some cars, broke this thing heaps of times, broke the Pajero a few times. Plenty's been happening, so let's have a look back on the year that was.
Ooh, shipping.
It's a strange way to remove a cat. Where's your reciprocal?
Meow. Contact.
The official phrasing is clear prop. It's like a freaking haunted house. Don't do that. That's offensive. How good is a K car? You can be pinned in second on 10 pound and doing 48 kilometers an hour. Oh, it got me. Don't show that. I look like a dumbass.
Whoops.
Look, Mom, no hands. Oh, it's Triple J. Ugh. I'm sure they have some version of the hottest something on today because it seems to be all they ever do now. What's the deal with the hottest 200? Huh. If you called something the hottest 200, would you think they're going to play 200 songs that day or 100 songs?
200.
They play 100 songs. So it's like the 100 people that didn't make the cut for the hottest 100 get played the day before.
100 runners up.
I'm not angry, Triple J. I'm disappointed. Well, that's a look back on the year that was BCW. Really appreciate all you guys supporting the channel. We've kicked a lot of goals this year, or last year I should say now, because it is 2024. But yeah, plenty more to come this year. The crest is on its way back. It should be back here by the end of January, if not early February. So yeah, there's going to be plenty of Cresta content to come, including a rebuild of that car because it is well and truly overdue for a strip down. We do have a Nexus R5 and all sorts of other cool Haltech gear to go into it. But we are going to run a 7 before I pull it apart. So we may be rebuilding that car in 2077. So who knows? Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.